Hey, what's up, Brent Sweet? Thanks so much for watching Brent Sweet T. Today is going to be cool because a couple weeks ago I released a Roush 24 Mustang launch edition video, automatic car, dyno pull, pretty warm, pretty humid, still came out great, 693 rural horsepower, and I told you in the future we're going to do some tricks. Today is the day. Now here's my plan. I wanted to put long tubes on this. I wanted that to be the next video. We've been too busy here at the shop. So today I had time to do some octane booster, do a pulley, see what it makes. I think tomorrow we're gonna be able to take this back to the track, see what it does. But in the description, open it up. You can see, hey, what did this car make before? What did the car do at the drag strip? It's awesome, around 1050. But the air is good, it's got magic air today. This is the type of day today that you go out to the track and you're like, I am gonna run my best ET ever. It made a little bit more power than I was honestly hoping, because I hate to put out a video just redoing the baseline that's high. It was. Check out these pulls on stock, 93 octane. No headers, no drive shaft, no pulley, no nothing. Check this out. I'm gonna add Boostane, look at those numbers, add a pulley, and then we'll take the lids off and just see what happens. Let's go. All right, just a couple things before we look at these numbers and talk about exactly what we did. Again, if you're new to this, watch the old videos. This car made 693 before. A little warmer, a little humid, ran 1050. Love it. I think that's awesome. But DynoJet SAE Smoothing 5 on the factory 84 millimeter pulley, which we just took off. We're installing an 81 with some Boostane. But here's what we have. Now, I call this magic air. 720 rural horsepower, 7,500 RPM, torque 576, 5,000. Boost came in at 12.94. Then Boostane, 723. Look at that, same RPM. Torque 582, 5,100. Boost shows 13.01. Almost the same, 7,500. What's that mean? Well, we log all these runs, and I will tell you, here in Indiana, our 93 octane is sick. This car runs a lot of timing on 93. I didn't think really adding the Boostane, it would go up much more, and it didn't. I think in the mid, we had like 1 more degree up top. It ran no more timing with the Boostane, but I want that in there when we add the pulley, just for safety. But it's a cool test. And just so you know, launch edition, awesome supercharger. Car made 693 on a warmer day. We're at 720 today. So take it for what it is. I'm just stating facts, talking about the data logs. Check out this pull right now. We're at the 81 millimeter pulley. Then we're gonna take the lids off and see what happens. All right, DynoJet SAE, look at the numbers. We added the 81 millimeter pulley, 738 rural horsepower, 7,500, still coming in right around the same. Torque, 598, I love that. 5,000 RPM, boost shows 13.56 at 7,500. Be clear, this is 93 octane with Boostane. This is an 81 millimeter pulley on the Roush calibration, just straight up. Stock manifold, stock drive shaft, but I want to take this thing to the track tomorrow and see what it does. It's going to be cool. This isn't the way I want to go. I want to do long tubes. Here's a cool thing. We didn't have time. Take the pulley back off. We can do the long tube test, see what picks up, drive shaft maybe, then add the pulley and go back again. But we have good weather this week. We're in Indiana, northern. It's been miserable about the last month. And this week was just like awesome. We actually had time, but those numbers are looking at really good. I mean, not as high, you know, these things are high. Like, look at this. Not as high before, but we're up to 738 with the pulley. But even that, 720 right now, what was 693 before? But if you're a racer, you know, good air is awesome. Let's pop these lids off and see what it does. Dyno SE Smoothing 5, 743 horsepower, 7,500 RPM. I love it. They're all in the same area. Torque 597, 5,100. Boost shows 14.1 at 7,500 with the lids off. It's a little spike down here, so it's really not like 14 the whole time. But hey, it's just facts. Pure transparency. What happens if you take the lids off? What happens if you add the pulley? But here's what's cool. Launch Edition, Roush cowl, stock header, stock cat, stock drive shaft, 93 with Boostane. We have the 81 millimeter pulley. You saw what the boost was. I just love showing you what the car does. And remember, magic air, all right? We have really good air today. I'm not gonna stand here and tell you on a super hot, humid day, you're gonna do the same numbers, but today was awesome. We got lucky, and I'm hoping tomorrow we can go to the track. After that, it's back to the long tube, stock pulley, see what it does, drive shaft, then we'll do the pulley as well with the long tubes and drive shaft and go back to the track again. So open that description, links to the old videos, subscribe, notify if you want to stay up to date, leave a comment, I'm happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching.